I'm going to cut out position for the skeg control box. I find the best method for cutting holes in the boat is to just do it, and if you screw it up, fix it later, but don't hesitate, just do it. It is always so nerve-wracking. Alright, it's time to flip it over and install these skeg controls, the hip braces, and the bulkheads. Alright, that'll give it a channel for water that gets inside of there to just run out. So we'll get that cleaned up and epoxied. Everything that I just did is going to get brushed with a light coat of epoxy to seal up all that exposed wood. But I'll do that later on when I have epoxy in my hands. Okay, it's time to get the bulkheads fitted into place. So that's going to take a lot of checking and reshaping and checking and reshaping. It's a back and forth process. I like to do it with the boat upside down. Not even close. Alright, let's start shaping. That's actually pretty close. Take some off of here, and it might be ready to go. Alright, cool. A little more. Okay, tack it into place with the crazy glue. Ow. Now we can just let this wait, and we'll get the next one fitted in. And then we'll epoxy both of them at the same time. And the next one's going to be a little bit more challenging because it's a farther reach. That might be good. I might do it. Okay, cool. Hey everyone, good morning. I'm checking for clearance for the hip braces against the skeg control. And we're looking for about 4.5 inches from the tip of that puzzle joint, so about right there. fit. Goes about a 1/2 inch in on the combing. I think that'll be fine. I can live with that. Cool. After this sets, I'm going to put some tape up and get some behind it to get it strong on the back too, but this will get it started at least. Alright, so now we've got the bulkheads, the hip braces, and the skeg control box all installed in the boat. We still need to make a seat, but other than that, everything that's going to be installed into this boat is done. The building is finished. So now we'll get it flipped over and begin prepping for the varnish. First we need to drill holes and backfill them with epoxy for all of the cordage and straps that are going to go into the boat. So that's what we'll do next.